Here, the distinctions of caste, creed, and province dissolved in the heat of a single slogan, Jai Hind. He stood before his soldiers, men and women, who had nothing but their courage, and made a bargain that shook the foundations of the British Empire. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. This was not a mere slogan, but a vow sealed with sacrifice.
Not merely as the makers of a new republic, not merely as the makers of a new East Asia, not merely as the makers of a new Asia, but as the makers and the architects of a new world.
Under his leadership, the INA marched with the cry of Jai Hind, a greeting that today beats in every Indian heart. He established the provisional government of free India and dared to imagine an India